Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can unblock people on your Instagram from your PC. To do so, just follow some quick and easy steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, to unblock the account, you have to see where the accounts have been after the it has been blocked. To see the accounts that you have blocked on your Instagram from your PC, you just have to go on to More, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. If you tap on More, these options will appear. From here, go on to Settings. And now scroll down until you see an option for Blocked. If you click on this, you can see all the accounts that you have blocked on your Instagram. And now if you want to unblock them, you can simply just click on Unblock. And now the accounts will be unblocked if you click on Unblock again. Here you can see the account has been unblocked. And now you are able to send them messages, call them, text them, or even send them reels back and forth. This was for this video, and that's how you can unblock accounts on your Instagram from your PC. I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.